Start by selecting a niche to focus your efforts. Narrowing down your niche helps you become an expert and attract the right audience. Once your niche is selected, deep dive into learning the essential skills. Use online courses, books, and mentors to enhance your knowledge and skills. Practice consistently. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Track your progress and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Start focusing on your niche today and master the skills for success. Want to start freelancing on Fiverr? Here's a quick guide to creating your account. First, go to fiverr.com and click on Join in the top right corner. Next, sign up using your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Fill in your basic details like username, email, and password to create your account. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture, description, and skills. You're all set! Start creating gigs and attract clients to kickstart your freelancing journey. Just created your Fiverr gig? Now let's get clients rolling in. First, optimize your gig title and tags. Precision is key. Next, craft a compelling description that stands out. Be clear and concise. Upload high-quality visuals to showcase your work. Your portfolio is your best asset. Set competitive prices to attract initial clients. Gradually increase as your reputation grows. Promote your gig on social media. Reach a wider audience quickly. Follow these steps and watch your Fiverr sales soar. Start today! Got your first client on Fiverr? Let's talk about how to keep them engaged and satisfied. Clear communication is key. Respond promptly and be sure to understand their needs completely. Set realistic expectations. Discuss deadlines and deliverables to ensure there are no misunderstandings. Provide quality work. Always aim to exceed expectations to ensure client satisfaction. Encourage feedback. Ask for your client's opinion to improve and tailor your services better. Follow up after delivering the work. Maintain a professional relationship for future opportunities. Keeping your clients satisfied on Fiverr can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. Start implementing these tips today. Wondering how to withdraw your hard-earned money from Fiverr? First, log into your Fiverr account and head to the Earnings tab. Next, click on the Withdraw button. You have several options like PayPal, bank transfer, or Fiverr Revenue Card. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Enter the necessary details and confirm your selection. Finally, verify your identity if prompted. This ensures your account's security. Once verified, your funds will be transferred. Check your chosen method to confirm receipt. And that's it! You've successfully withdrawn your earnings from Fiverr. Happy freelancing! But wait. It is not very easy. You have to learn more. You have to develop your skills. You have struggling to get clients on Fiverr? Don't worry. Here are 7 powerful tips to attract clients fast. Tip 1. Optimize your profile with a clear, professional photo. Tip 2. Write a compelling gig description with keywords. Tip 3. Use high-quality gig images and videos. Tip 4. Offer competitive pricing and packages. Start implementing these tips today and watch your Fiverr success grow. But wait. It is not very easy. You have to learn more. You have to develop your skills. You have struggling to get clients on Fiverr? Don't worry. Here are 7 powerful tips to attract clients fast. Tip 1. Optimize your profile with a clear, professional photo. Tip 2. Write a compelling gig description with keywords. Tip 3. Use high-quality gig images and videos. Tip 4. Offer competitive pricing and packages. Start implementing these tips today and watch your Fiverr success grow. Don't just dive into action, craft your skills first. It's easy to start, but developing mastery takes patience. Small, consistent efforts build strong skills over time. Everyone's journey to mastery looks different. Embrace yours. Celebrate small wins. They lead to big achievements. Patience and perseverance are the pillars of success. Start today. Build your skill. Be patient and thrive.